In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add different font colors in one text box in Canva. If you've ever wanted certain words to stand out, maybe a keyword, a date, or a call to action, this simple technique will make your designs clearer and more engaging without needing multiple text boxes. Start by opening your project in Canva and click on the text box you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and handles around it. Now, focus on the exact part of the text you want to change. Click and drag your cursor across that word, phrase, or even a single character to highlight it. Highlighting is the crucial step here. Canva applies color changes only to the text you've selected. With that portion still highlighted, look up to the toolbar at the top and click the text color button. It's the little color tile or the A icon with a color bar. This opens the color panel. Choose the color you want, and the change happens instantly on the highlighted text. That's all there is to it. Want to color other parts of the same sentence or paragraph? Just repeat the same process. Highlight the next section, open the text color option if it's not already open, and pick a different shade. You can do this as many times as you like within that one text box, mixing colors for emphasis or visual hierarchy while keeping everything aligned and easy to manage. A few helpful pointers as you work. Keep readability in mind. Use high contrast combinations so your text is comfortable to read against the background. Consistency also helps. Choosing a small set of complementary colors can make your design look cohesive. If you're emphasizing actions or dates, using a brighter accent color on those words draws attention without overwhelming the rest of the text. If a color change doesn't seem to apply, double-check that your text is still highlighted and that you're editing the correct text box. And if everything changes color at once, it usually means the entire text was selected. Simply highlight the specific part you intended and choose the color again. That's it. Select your text box, highlight the exact words you want to change, use the text color control at the top, and pick your colors. Repeat as needed within the same box, and you'll have a polished, color-coded message that stands out beautifully. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating cleaner, more compelling designs in Canva.